Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new tutorial video. Inside this video we will continue to develop our coffee shop application with SwifTui. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, our application preview screen in the right side of Xcode, and we have some items, coffee types actually. And we have some search in here. For example, if I search, as you can see, cold brew coming. I mean, this is, we are not taking any data from API. It's entire project with dummy data. We will learn in the future how we can get API response or GraphQL response or any other type of response like Firebase. We will learn in the future. And also we have, as you can see, some short filters in here. For example, dessert, tiramisu, brownie, cheesecake, or when I click the snack, as you can see, snack coming, our screen, muffin, sandwich, like that. And also we have one, as you can see, filter icon in here. When I click this icon, as you can see, there is one sheet opening, and there are some features for short by, for example, popularity, or for example rating. And when I click the done, as you can see, our data's coming, or name. Yeah, let's look to code actually. And as you can see, we have some state variables in here, for state variable. And short options we have, as you can see, the default value is popular, and showing filters equals to false, search text, as you can see, null for now, and selected category equals to 0 for default value. And we have categories, as you can see, all, coffee, cold drink, dessert, snack in here. And we have a let menu item list in here. We are defining our menu items in here. Let's look to menu item, which parameters we have. We have ID, name, category, price, image, description is popular, it is boolean, rating, it is double, and prep time, preparation time, we have as a string in here. Okay, let's go to back. And first item is actually name Americano, as you can see in the right side of our Xcode. And category, it will be coffee. When I click that category, as you can see, that's Americano coming. And for example, if we look to this iced Americano, its category is cold drink. When I click that cold drink filter, as you can see, iced Americano coming. And we have image, description is popular. For example, when I click that popularity, as you can see, our popularity is coming. For example, I'm changing to false is popular parameter for coffee, for that Americano. Let's finish that. And I'm clicking coffee, and I'm choosing popularity. And yes, as you can see, my Americano, actually these two objects coming from my filters and the others coming from my normal data. And there are two popularities item in here, cappuccino and mocha. That's why there is a one empty area in here. Okay, let's continue. And as you can see, we have some short options in here. Let's search inside the project that search options which area we are gonna use. As you can see, we have a enum class short options enum with popular, price, asynchron, price, ESC, price description, rating, and name, and also display name. We have, if it is popular, as you can see, we have a switch case in here. When the user choose our popular, it will see actually the popularity, as you can see in here. And or it is a, or our user choose to price low to high option in here, it means the user will see price low to high, but the main code actually is this key. And also, as you can see, we have another switch case in here. We are returning our items and added some filters in here. When the case is popular, our items will be shorted, that is popular parameters. As you can see, we have is popular parameters inside every item. That's why we can filter it. Same thing we are gonna do for price description or price or rating or name. And as you can see, we have a showing filters boolean parameter. Default value will be false. When we click the that button, that's filter button, our parameter will be equals to true, and we are gonna show to user our filter view. The filter means actually, filter view means actually that area we have popularity. And yes, our filter view is here. We have an environment variable presented mode and short options we have, and shorted by, and also inside the vertical stack we are using the for each for display every item inside that short options. And when the user click that short options, which item user select will be equals to our option, our short option parameter in here, because it is a bind parameter. And when the user click that done icon, done button, our presented mode will be dismiss, wrapper dismiss. And some added some specification like foreground or background or navigation title, navigation bar title, display modes. As you can see, we choose the inline in here. Okay, let's continue. And also, as you can see, we have a text field area for that search menu in here. When the user wrote any words, we are taking that word and equals to our search text parameter in here. Let's see which area we are gonna use for that search text. And as you can see, we are filtering our items list in here using the filter, and we are filtering our name actually. When we created a menu item, we are adding a name like here. For example, if I wrote here Crow, as you can see, our application automatically completed my search, and with by using that code actually we are filtering our search text using the name parameter inside the menu item. We are updating our items, as you can see in here. Let's delete. And yes, as you can see, we have a one scroll view in here, and this scroll view is horizontal, and show indicators is equals to false. I am talking about that scroll view horizontally. When I change this show indicator parameter with true, as you can see, when I drag left or right side, that's scroll items, as you can see, there is a one indicator in bottom side, but I don't like it. Let's change it false. And inside the horizontal stack, with adding a spacing 15, our categories that count, as you can see, we created a categories list in here. And we are creating a category button. Let's look to category button. What we have, as you can see, we have title, is selected, and action parameter. We have this action works when the user click that parameter, which index user click it, we are gonna use that index. And also we are defining a button in here for title and action. We are passing, and as you can see, we are taking our title using the index, and is selected parameter equals to our index, and selected category equals to index. Let's look to this, that is selected category. And yes, as you can see, if selected category is not equals to 0, we are taking category name using the selected category, and we are filtering that category name. For example, cold drink. When I click, as you can see, this entire three type of coffee coming with category name. And of course, when the user select any horizontal category or short options, like here, we have a one parameter, filtered items, in here. We are gonna use that filtered items parameter for displaying items, which items equals to our filtered parameter inside the screen. And as you can see, we have a scroll view inside for this scrollable stack, and which for each we are gonna use filtered items, as you can see in here, and we are creating a menu item card in here. And as you can see, we are creating a round rectangle, and we are adding an image. That image coming from our item parameter. It will take one item, but we are gonna use inside the scroll view for each. That means it will return, it will create menu item cards that filtered items that count size actually. And as you can see, if it is popular, we are adding a star fill in here. Like here in the right side of our image, as you can see, that Americano does not have, but that brownie has a star, because that brownie is popular parameter equals to true. Let's check. As you can see, our brownie is here, and our is popular parameter equals to true. And also we are adding item name, we are adding item price, description, item rating, and preparation time, prep time, and quantity in here, like that, and added some specification like background, padding, corner, radius, and shadow. And yes, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.